Hi, in this program, I'm going to use a depth search to create a maze. Before I do that, I create a template, which helped me to draw a maze so that we could show it here. So here's the template. I could enter the dimension of the maze. In this case, I'm going to enter 5, and it will create a block of 5 by 5 maze with all the wall with all the walls on it. So the total dimension of the maze is 2 times the dimension plus 1, including the wall. Because because each block here has a wall surrounded by it. So the total dimension of the maze of the maze matrix would be 2 times the dimension of the maze plus 1. So I use depth search to create a maze path. And I need to create a stack to save all the node that or the to save all the node that I'm visiting. So in here, the starting node would be 0, 0, which is xy. So I will put xy in the stack at the beginning. So I'll go through the stack and check the first element of the stack. And I will explore different direction from the starting point. And the direction could be either going up, going down, going left, or going right. So I use these 4 vectors: going up, going down, which is I think going up is 0, 1, going down is 0, -1, going left is -1, 0, and going right is 0, 1. One, 0. Going up, down, left, right. Okay. And then I use a random function to shuffle the direction. And I need to explore all the directions. So I create a loop to explore all the 4 possible directions. And the next step I'm going to explore would be x plus dx and y plus dy. And nx and ny is the next node of the maze that that the program is going to export. And the next step, I need to check if the next node is within the boundary. Okay, and also I need to check if it has already been export. So is 2x plus 1. Okay, if it has not been exported, it's going to be 1. So if everything is satisfied, we could mark it to 0, and that means the node in the maze has been exported. Also, we need to dig a wall between the next node and the previous node. The previous node would be this, and so the wall connected to it would be this plus dx or dy. So after we dig the wall, we need to put the next node to a stack for the next iteration. So it would be nx and ny. And after we put the node to the stack, we could break for the next iterations of the while loop. So when all the path, when the current path is export, is running to a dead end. That means we can no longer take a new wall to any direction. We need to go back, and we could pop the stack and continue with the next element of the search. Let's test the program with a smaller dimension. Okay, stack append. Okay. Okay, this is a 4-dimension 4x4 maze, and we could test it with another higher dimension. Let's say 10. This is a 10x10 maze. See if we comment this out. We don't see the path here because we didn't take the wall between the path, between the nodes. Okay. See, go back to here. And let's do 100. Okay, this is 100x100 maze. In the next video, I'm going to write another program which search the path of the maze.